साजं च वर्ति संयुक्तं गृहीणा योजितं मयं दीपं गृहाण देवेशं त्रैलोक्यातिमिरापहम्।
जय गणेश जय गणेश
Everybody,
जय
simple. Let's
गणेश
sing together.
देवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा लड्डुअन को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा लड्डुअन को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी माथे पे सिंदूर सोहे मूस की सवारी माथे पे सिंदूर सोहे मूस की सवारी दुखियों के दुख हर परमानंद देवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा अंधन को आँख देत कोरियन को काया अंधन को आँख देत कोरियन को काया बांझन को पुत्र देत निर्धन को माया भांजन को पुत्र देत निर्धन को माया भाव से पार करो नाथ भजन करो तेरा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जो तेरा ध्यान करे ज्ञान मिले उसको जो तेरा ध्यान करे ज्ञान मिले उसको चोर तुझे और भला दाऊ में किसको चोर तुझे और भला दाऊ में किसको हे देवा कृपा करो कष्ट हरो मेरा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा लड्डुअन को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा लड्डुअन को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
गौरी गणेश उमा महेश पार्वती
नंदन श्री गणेश गौरी गणेश उमा महेश पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
शरणम Ganesh, Sharanam Ganesh.
Sharanam Ganesh, Sharanam Ganesh.
Sharanam Ganesh, Sharanam Ganesh.
Sharanam Ganesh, Sharanam Ganesh.
Shivanandana Ganapati Ganesh.
Shivanandana Ganapati Ganesh.
Gauri Ganesh, Uma Mahesh.
Parvati Nandana Shri Ganesh.
Parvati Nandana Shri
Ganesh.
Together, everybody, let's say our prayer. Dear Lord, by your grace, we are here tonight. Thank you for the opportunity. By now, everybody has their cell phone on silent. We are now set for prayer. We are now prepared. Please give me the attention, give me the memory to listen and learn of your discourse. Tonight is a very, very funny night. Tonight is a night for the student, for the child, for children. Sometimes people do Ganesh worship, Ganesh Baba, but we know how to use the prayer to help with the trouble that sometimes come into our homes, into our lives. Tonight, as we go into some of the secrets of your form and your Leela, bless we to remember it, God. Together, everybody. Om Gajananam Bhutaganadi Sevitam Kapita Jumbo Palachara Vakshritam Umasutam
Shoka Vinashakarakam
Namami Vigneshwara
Pankajam
Sarvamangalamangaliye
Shive Sarvartha Sadhike
Sharanye
Ambike Gauri
Narayani
Namostute
Guru Brahma
Guru Vishnu
Guru Devo
Maheshwara
Guru Sakshat
Param Brahma
Tasmai Shri
Guruve Namaha
Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Last one. Om Namah
Shivaya
Umapati Mahadeva Ki
Jai.
Everybody, please have your seat. Make yourself comfortable. To everybody in the temple, Sitaram and welcome. For those of you online viewing from wherever you are, God bless you. If you could hear me properly, please indicate, send me a message. If there's any problem, please see. Sometimes, as a pundit, now remember, I am home when I am in this mandir. So we're talking just you and I. Sometimes when things start to go wrong and people go and talk to Pandit Anup, and we reach to the point of, Baba, it seems, even the doctors tell you sometimes, the sickness, the things we face, it seems as if it is not natural. This is beyond Patra. It seems so fantastic that the doctor cannot find the solution or even the cause of your trouble. Nothing I try, I cannot rationalize the problem, and then I cannot fix my problem. Put yourself in a situation. You are going to the school, you are going to the doctor, you are trying to mediate a problem. And no matter what I try, nothing is working. No medicine, no therapy. You're rubbing magnesium oil under your foot. You're trying to calm down the child so they could go to school and absorb the work, and nothing. Somehow, nothing is working. But when you test the child, when you talk to your child normal. Baba, I feel, Pandit Anup, I feel it has something else at play here. No, the reason why I'm starting with this, I to blame. Let me explain something. These children sat and did a wonderful chalisa. God bless all you. Thank you for that support. In the chalisa, it talks about if you use his name, boot, prait, pisach, they can't come, they can't touch, they can't interfere with you. That pundit sat down, Pavitra store, and he started to sprinkle water with mantra. Please purify the place. If somebody committed suicide, not to bring up anybody's history, but somebody committed suicide in the village, the soul, Hindu, Christian, Muslim, the soul is going through purgatory. They walk, they go where they could get help. Please help me. My hand can't touch food anymore, but I am starving, I am thirsting. Different Hindu texts give it up. So they come where the people pray. So the person wants, the Baba wants to clean your place. Think what I'm saying, and you mop your floor. Where he just be wetting. Om Apavitra, in the name of Mahavishnu, Jambi, spirit, however you want to call it, take the water you come for and leave. When you leave, these people place will be clean now, spiritual. So he doing something. But sometimes, correct me if I'm wrong, have you ever heard somebody say, the Baba says there's tamasic prayer, there's unclean prayer, bad, obia, cemetery work, different description, same thing. Prayer that is done by somebody to harm and damn somebody else. But you stupid pundit, I never hear, Nicholas would say, I never hear my pundit talk about that. That is how I come stupid. Follow me. If I am the teacher, and I am only teaching you one side of the book, and I never interest you, I never show you the truth, it have bad. This is why you hold on to your chalisa. This is why you hold on to your prayer, or the logic behind it. Then the person thinks, well, them young head, do I really need to learn the Hanuman chalisa? Good is come from God, and bad is come from somebody else. But that is not Hindu. Think what I'm telling you. I say it plenty time. We hustling the prayers, we late, it have a traffic, it have an accident on the road, you hear Keshava mouth say, boy, this devil really is a busy man. Something had to keep we back, something had to throw we off. You're cutting up the food and something go wrong. Somebody had to cause a ukmaj in the prayers. The devil is a busy man. But in Hinduism, it have no devil. In Hinduism, it have Durga that is test you like a true mother. We fashion the mother, your house mother, your biological mother behind Durga. When you do good, that mother will cut cake and feed you and play with you and massage you and love you. And when you do wrong, the same lady will take up a belt and do it to you. And everybody will say your mother is doing her job. Discipline is her job. Likewise, Durga is the lady in charge of discipline. She's the lady to teach you. You don't want to listen. You got to learn. You didn't want to say prayers for the exam. Exam come hard. You didn't pass. All right, you see, next time, Mom, I'm going to say my prayers. For example, tonight we're going to do a stotra that talks about, it comes from something called, in Naratam, you're going to hear the saying, Saptashati. When you hear people say the Durga part. This prayer is called the Kunjika Stotra. And it says that if you want to get through it, anything, you have to call the goddess. She is the person that allows you to be successful in any endeavor. Anything you want to do. She's the energy that allows it. In the fourth verse, Maranam, Mohanam, Vyasanam. Mother, here we're praying for you. Just as a person recites prayer for different purpose. Use the purpose, use the energy. If the battery in my phone, watch. The watch have a purpose. It gives me the time. Take out the battery from inside it or the power source, and it won't tell me anything. The AC control, the TV control, very nice. But without power, it doesn't work. Likewise, depending on what the person praying for, use the power of the prayer. But you and I know prayer for good. And these Holy Pundit didn't do fear. There are 6 ways, 6 types of mantras. Mantras, nothing in the word mantra, there are 6 categories. He says, Mother, there is one category called Maranam. Maranam is where the person is saying prayer to do what? To kill the enemy. When you're watching your TV show and you are seeing the Shriram, the Ravan, the whosoever praying on the arrow, them not saying Om Namah Shivaya like me and you. Them is calling on a form of the goddess, sit on this arrow and don't stop until you get blood. Hit your target. Destroy the person. Be effective. When people are doing different type of puja and you see they're putting things on cutlass and the sharp edge, that is the type of prayer or the mantra they are calling. Then there's Mohanam. There's a prayer where a person is praying to cause bewilderment. Sit on that person and allow them to get confused. I don't want the person to make a proper decision. We'll come back to that. Vyasanam. I want a prayer that makes the person come under my foot. All this sounding very strange. Consider what I say. Baba, we have a visa appointment tomorrow. And I want a mantra that when I go in front of the officer, I must have favor. I go in for a job, but I want to get through. I go in to see the girl, and I want the girl when she see me, she must like me, Baba. But a good ugly, eh? The resume deficient. But you want now to twist the person, maneuver the person, so that the person must watch you and have favor with you. In our prayer, Durga gives that ability. People, yes, it is created for benefit. It is created for good. But people misuse it. The subduing one, when people have a child that is addicted to a drug or to some practice and you want to break it, mother, get in that person's head and take out that addiction. The parent or the spouse might pray, break the gambling, break the womanizing, break the prostitution addiction, break it. What nobody can do, man, you could do it. The person doesn't trust. Imagine a man and a woman. Let's say a divorcee remarried. And one of the problems they have in that marriage is trust, based on the pain from the previous. And the husband praying, God, let you learn to trust me a little bit. This girl don't believe me for nothing. It has prayers to help the person naturally come from untrust to trust. But when people want to abuse it now, you take the same prayer and you do bad. Imagine whenever I do prayer for a police officer, for an army, and they have their gun at home, or a businessman. They say prayer, when you and I doing Lakshmi prayers and we put up the pink flag, there's a point in that prayer, the person TKs the gun. If you ever see it, like in a private thing, you don't advertise you have a gun, but people is blessed with weapons at home. So in the example that when I call Devi, when I call upon this to protect my family or to do what it come to do, don't fail, don't click, don't miss. Make sure you protect my family. So the mantras were created for that type of purpose. But people with their dirty minds and dirty reasoning and rational could, in all fairness, use it for bad. Tonight, let me say we pray first as we learn about Ganesh and this kind of discourse. This is a different sepi of knowledge. Everybody put your hands together and we pray into Mother Durga. Come, Nick, put your hands together. Pray. I don't know what this is. Om Mahadevuvach Shrunu Devi Pravakshami Kunjika Sutra Uttamam Yena Mantra Pravena Chandi Pat Shubham Bhavet Na Kavacham Nargala Sutra Kelikam Na Rahasyakam Na Suktam Nyapi Dhyanam Na Cha Nyasu Na Cha Varchanam Kunjika Pat Matrena Durga Pat Phalam Labhet Ati Guyam Taram Devi Devanapi Dullabham Gopinayam Pratyena Swayam Yoni Parvati Pat Matrena Samsidhya Kunjika Sutra Uttamam Om, you know this part. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamunde Vicha. Om Glum Hum Glum Jum Swat Jwali Jwali Jwal Jwal Jwal. Aim Hrim Klim Chamunde Vicha Jwal Hum Sam Lam Shamfat Swaha. Shri Adi Shakti Mata Ki Jai. Basically, Ma, you in charge of all the mantras. And when people pray, I know what people have inside of them. Mother, you are the judge. You are the mother of all. Please protect me from the negative prayer of other people. So in this, of the sixth type, there's a prayer, a type of prayer called San Mohan Mantra. Although don't say Pandit Keshava didn't teach you. If somebody does me something, simple language, it have to have a way to fix it. My child must pass the exam. Your child will never pass. I will show you. You call on that same goddess in a type of prayer called San Mohan Mantra. When you have Panchauti again like this, when the village is coming together, the Purohit makes sure and chants that kind of prayer. So that if there is any devious work, any nefarious work at play, and the person under subjugation of the sick, the foot getting black, the circulation air working, but the doctor cannot find the problem. There is polycystic ovaries, there is polyps in the intestine, but how that come, why it come back, why the cancer come back, they cannot find it. When they walk in here, they get the prasad, when they have done and they get the basma from the Havan, that is what they come in for. Many people don't know why you come to here. They just think they come for chana, aloo, pumpkin, roti. But only when Durga Mata puts you in the hot seat of being in the marriage where there is trouble, or the home where there is trouble, and you don't know how to help yourself, and you come in a place where other people are doing prayers, but I get the blessing, then you say, oh, that is why I come. That is the importance of being part. So when I go and I say, Pandit, I could get a little bit of that ash we're going in there whole week where everybody doing Gayatri and I could be with it and my trouble could cut, then you know the value of the basma. Prem Sabolo Shri Adi Shakti Mata Ki Jai. Tonight, and if I correct Nick, and we hear about Vinayaka, or you ever hear that name of Ganesh Baba? Vinayaka. Vina is impediment. Vina is that, not Vina the guitar. Vighne. Vina is different type of impediment, but the impediment that you cannot see. Consider what's in, if I see Nicholas running towards me with a nice tree canal, I know I have an enemy. I know I'm going to get chopped. I may be in a situation to die. Suppose the enemy is invisible. Suppose the enemy is smiling with me every day. Where you going, Pandit? Love you. And you're planning to kill me. How are we going to fight that? Vina, the invisible enemy. Follow me. It has so much about this Ganesh we don't get to talk about. For some people, 10 nights sound plenty. But when you learn how to use your Ganesh, how to use that murti, to have a reason why we didn't use the stone murti, why we use a temporary murti, it have to have a benefit. But if we get to learn about it, we're going to be in trouble. Tonight, we are going to use the Sankat Nashnam, or the name Stotra of Ganesh. Narad Muni, this is the Sumira. This is calling on the different names of Ganesh. Put all your hands together and let me say prayers. I'll explain the value of this as we go. Pranam Shirasa Devam Gauri Putram Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Smare Nityam Ayu Kamartha Siddhayet Pratamam Vakratundam Cha Ekadantam Dvitiyakam Tritiyam Krishna Pindaksham Gajavakram Chaturtakam Lambodaram Panchamam Cha Shashtam Vigatamevascha Saptamam Vigana Raja धूम्रवर्णं ततस्तमं नवबालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम् एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननं द्वादशैतानि नामानि ये पठने नरः न च विज्ञं भयं तस्य सर्वसिद्धिकरं प्रभु. Any person who reads the 12 names of Ganesh, whether the dawn, the noon, the dusk, they will never have fear of defeat or attack. Whoever listens to it, they get the protection, the freedom from subjugation, the freedom from squeezing of unrighteousness. Vidyarati lavate vidyandanadi lavate dhanam, putrarati lavate putran, moksharati lavate gatim. The person who is hunting for knowledge, my child, will pass and your child will not pass. The person who is trying to get education will pass. The person who is trying to save to have barakat, to get money, that person will gain and flourish. The person who is praying for children will have children. The person who is praying for salvation, regardless of what other people, you're going to drag, you're going to dead, you're going to burn. Regardless of what other people make or say, pronounce against you, by His name, that will come. Japa Ganapati Sutra Shavadimasa Phalam Lavet Sambat Siddhim Chalabhati Natra Sanshayah Ashtabhyo Brahmanbhyo Yascha Likitvaha Samarpayet Tasya Vidya Bhavet Sarva Shri Ganeshaya Prasadita. That person who gives the prayer. The person, when you see people sharing in their pamphlet little passages, here we say here. The person who takes these 8 verses and they share it for another person to read, another person to listen to, like how we have people on the live listening. The temple people get the blessing that they will become knowledgeable about the qualities of Ganesh, and then they use the Ganesh. When a person's sick, they just take a tablet. When they have trouble, they just turn to Ganesh, and that Ganesh removes the problems. Prem Sabolo Shri Ganesh Bhagwan Ki Jai. There is a text, one of the Puran written by Ved Vyas, the same fella who writes Shiv Puran, he writes Bhagavad Puran. He had written earlier Brahma Puran, and then there's something called Brahmanda Puran. Brahmanda means the egg, the creation story. In that discourse, in that text, there's a lot of Ganesh Katha, believe it or not. In this discourse, we are going to hear about Veena, how people go to God and use God's prayer and blessing to harm other people. How to see it and how they use Ganapati to break it. Let me join together tonight, everybody. As time's slipping away, but please remember what your Pandit is telling you tonight. Jai Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam, Jai Bhole
Baba Tab Sharanam,
Jai Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam,
Jai Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam,
Jai Samba Sada Shiva Tab Sharanam,
Jai Samba Sada Shiva Tab Sharanam,
Pura Durvasye Banda Lalita Puranduraye Vyasam Devasya Mrigaye Lokam Devi Lalitaye Aati Par Jaya
Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam, Jaya Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam, Jaya Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam, Jaya Bhole Baba Tab Sharanam, Jaya Samba Sada Shiva Tab Sharanam, Jaya Samba Sada Shiva Tab Sharanam,
Jaya Samba Sada Shiva Tab Sharanam. Prem se bolo Shri Ganesh Bhagwan ki jai.
No helmet.
I like how my drum sound. Thank you. This discourse is taken from Brahmanda Puran, something called Lalita Mahatyam. And you know when you have your Panchmukh Hanuman prayers, the horse head, Hayagriv, that form of Lord Vishnu, is talking to Narad Muni in this discourse. So we enter where there's a battle, normal story, good against bad. But in this discourse, the goddess takes a form called Lalita. We hear the name in Trinidad culture. In India, Lalita is a big thing. They use her name in the Sahasranam, different, type of prayer. A popular part where they call her is when they're doing Putrishti Yajna. When somebody is praying to have children or to get children. Imagine the gynecologist tells the mom, inside your belly, when they check the amniotic fluid, the child is going to be born different, especially evil. And some people, they make the decision, I don't think I can handle that type of responsibility. But the Hindu, truthfully, goes to Lalita Devi and asks, from what is this doctor talking about? Whatever that scan is saying, that have to change, I'm in charge of my patra. I'm in charge of my destiny. And with the power of prayer, I can make impossible come possible. There are many people that think Pandit Anup had the secret book there, boy, the patra. It's written in the book as they say, where you go to Pandit, I'm a fate, it's in my planet. Last night I mentioned Mangal Dosh, Mangalik. That means my catch my tail to get married. Because I with this Mars in this birth chart, I might never have a boy child. My father could die young. All these things by that one example. But then, if it is written in the Patra, correct me if I'm wrong, what am I praying for? If it done right, I could die at a certain age. If nothing can change it, we're praying for. If it was in your patra to have $5 in your pocket, to have a child that differently able, whichever example you want, we just pray for. The patra, everything from start to finish in patra is meant to change. There is nothing that is beyond the power of your prayer. So the person sees, think about yourself in your prayer. You're going by that Murti, and what you're telling him, Ganesh Baba, thank you, I have $5 in my pocket, boy. Thank you for that. Step one, gratitude. Step two, change it now. I want $50. Ganesh Baba, me a feeling good today. Maybe in the planet will really mark I'll be sick. Change it now. Let me feel good. Ganesh Baba, I'm looking like I might get two in that subject. Change it now. Make a crazy boy. Make him smart now. Give him a distinction in the subject. Every day when you present yourself to that Murti in your home, in the temple, what it is you're going for? Change. Control. You have the control. The inherent ability to manifest from nothing, from bad to good, it is left to you. If you choose to believe it, if you choose to access the knowledge, if you choose to use the knowledge you have, that is left to you. In this discourse now, Hayagriv Swami is telling Narad Muni, Mother was fighting a battle against this bad fellow named Bandasur. Bandasur is very potent and very capable. And what makes him capable? He has great knowledge of worship. Remember in Ramayana what we are taught, Ram and Ravan, good and bad on the scheme of things, but both of them very powerful Lord Shiva worshippers. Till today, some of the prayers that we use was created not by Sri Ram, but by Ravan when we worship Lord Shiva. The problem is when you take the good and the God blessing and you take it to do bad, and there we get difference in the outcome between Ram and Ravan. Bandasur is flourishing, and he's fighting for land, and he's fighting people, killing innocent. One of his trademarks, when he goes into the area, Hayagriv says one of the stain that comes on this man's history, he rapes women. He plunders and he wants to impregnate every female, that his genetic code must be propagated in that area. Imagine a person says, I have a big nose, And I want, where I live, my big nose must be the prominent feature in that area. In European culture, you have that. When everybody has to be blue eyes, tall, blonde hair, and that is good, and everything else is bad. You had that genetic screening. People who are different are bad. From recent history to long ago history, when Alexander the Great walked the earth, he did the same. When Genghis Khan did it, he did the same. So much in our 8 forms of wedding. There is a form of wedding when you conquer an area, you take a bride from that area. That is one type of wedding in Sanatana Dharma. That is like how when Krishna steals away Rukmini, that is how that became a true wedding. Bandasur is becoming a plague against women, and the women pray to Mother Lalita, Mata, please help, please help, please help. And Lalita came with, the book says, so much kilometers covered by this of land, covered by this female army. It was funny because at this time there's no female soldier. But the lady now is walking with all the weapons. And she has come to protect the female. It says wherever people are damaging, raping, harming women, that place will not see the blessing of the goddess. The place becomes very, very low energy, dark, dull. It has words to it. So if somebody gets it in their head that Ganesh Baba only wants boys, you ever hear that? Only boys could do his prayer. There's a murti. Only boys could touch his murti. All ever hear that? That's a serious question. Some temples still do it, right? I don't know young children. I just bring it up. In some temple, when you go, you see the mandap for the puja. All those young girls sitting there couldn't sit for prayer for this Ganesh. They couldn't get to touch the murti. But in this discourse dealing with Ganesh, if the girl is under subjugation, if she is treated less than, you will not gain the luster, the happiness, the reward you're doing prayers for. You invest in to do prayers. I want to get output. Make the mala, make the parsad, make the food, and wait for blessing. It will never come. The person has to gain the blessing not only for the invisible mother, but for the living lady in the Yagyashala. When the mother came, Banda didn't believe that these little forms, these small, not muscular men, you know, the big form like Beam, etc., these little mother, small girls could be so effective in killing bigger forms. He sent out a small force, she killed all of them. Sent out a bigger force, she killed all of that. To the point he sends, a Shaukani means how much thousands of people, and mother is laughing at them. So much so, Narad Muni, as she's biting to see how you are so crooked, and look how you are sacrificing innocent. And she's biting her teeth so hard as she's laughing, blood starts to come between her own teeth. That I make you. And this is what you will do. You will take the health, the energy, the life that I as God give you, and you will harm women. You will come with full intention to harm them. Come, I will deal with you. Come. This is why I came. Narad, listen to the force of this lady. Drama, let me go. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samstita. Everybody help us sing.
Namastasya, 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 Namo Namah. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samstrita.
Tadaye Lalitaye Banda Ashakauniye Pragyatam Kandaye Nadejavarayetam Supritam Dhanaye Yati. Come on everybody. Mata Ki. Banda felt so sure that they would win this girl and her forces. A nice group of girls walking on a hill, coming. He sends his son. For every parent here, when you send your child by the shop, and you just expect that child to come back, the last thing in your mind is, I will not see that child again. I send you to do a little errand, go. I send you to the post office, I send you to pay the bill, I send you to pick up, whatever. The last thing in your mind, I'm not going to see that breathing, the eyes fluttering, I will never hear the voice, whoo, again. But unfortunately, some parents have to go through that medicine. Some of them get that call, something happened while the child was on the road. This father sends this warrior with imagine every tabit, yantra, amulet, where if you don't understand, mantra is Om Namah Shivaya. Yantra is when you're taking the mantra now and you are drawing. So you know when we have, you ever went somewhere and you see how on some circle, some triangle, you see some like an octagon, the different angle, where does Durga live in your house? Wherever they have an angle. So in the corner of the room, wherever it is like this, a 90-degree, that is where she stays. When the girl make the baby and it is going in the corner, the room and take out the little upsi and so Harry and thing, that is mother place. So when they're calling her now to offer the dar for Noratam, it is make a triangular hole or whatsoever. So that is why the Chausat, how you call that thing? Chausat Yogini, Chausat Yogini Bedi is a triangle. That is her dwelling, that is her place. So the yantra now has a lot of triangles and angles in it, sometimes like a tic-tac-toe box, and each angle has a goddess inside. The yantra is used to protect that mother. We invoke you here. Stand up on this person. After the person say Havan, and they take the ash and they make it, when it sits on the person, just as we were talking, when you bow to the Murti, you get the energy of this amulet superimposed on the person, raising the aura now. So you glowing like Surya or Ganesh Baba, the light, that if bad come by this person, push it away, repel. So you will see Krishna, his mother made sure he had something around his neck. That is what I'm talking about. So the father put now different yantra. He put on all the bow. You as a parent, you never tell your children, babe, you're dancing the gunguru. We have to bless it. Drummer, make sure and bless your hand, bless the drum before you go and play for people. People are good, you know. And the Tasaman is come by you and you see that we need prayers on the skin. Bless me that we're going to prepare to play, protect us who play. When the people are taken to the stage, pay attention next time. You'll see they bow to the stage before they start. When the dancer says ta, te, when they hit the foot, the first stamp, mother, we bow to you on this stage, protect, we allow you to do what we come to do and go home without negative. This father equipped his child and he trusted the prayer and he sent the child. Lalita Devi calls him and she doesn't hit him at a distance with the arrow. She wrings the neck off and pulls the spine out of the body. When the news reached back to Banda, it wasn't just word of mouth. It was head and the entire spinal column. King, something happened. Something happened to your son. That is where we got our stuff. Think about how that father feels. In Ramayana, we don't get to deal too much with how Ravan reacts when Indrajit dies. But the heart of that person is a wonderful discourse to hear how people just go through hardship. It's not you and I alone. Let me hear what happened when he went to court the next morning then. After he dealt with wife and children and he tried to shanty them, he had to continue doing his job. They are in a war, and regardless of his personal losses, he has to go and face everybody. And he's sitting on his throne surrounded by all the emissaries. And they ask him, King, how are you faring? How are you faring? Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bol. 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 Bandaye Sakha Kalayanti Punyayate Putra Bhaliyayatam Drivyaye Ayatam Swadaye Bhandasur Yena Yenadaham Putra Yenayati Yataye Ayatam Jai Jai Radha
Raman Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha
Everybody together.
Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bol.
Jai Jai Radha Ramana, 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 Hari Bol.
Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bol.
Putraye Shigate Vidaye Danyapal Vedaye Danyapal Dvijaye Shwayatam Shidaye Devipam Lalitaye Yahi Vikshukrayatam Min Ye Ayati Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Everybody.
Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bol.
Jai Jai Radha
Raman Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bol.
Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Vrindavan Bihari Lal Ki Jai. Watch them. Hayagriv says his eyes now full of pain, bloodshot red, he is bawling. What type of father lives to see the eyes of the child rolled back? In all my fighting, in all my wars, I never thought I'd see an inkling of your flesh from the inside of your neck. What kind of lesson is this, son? Imagine you're talking out a lifeless head alone. Doesn't want them to burn the body, doesn't want to get rid of the corpse. If the God of charm, the God of love, gives inside the big ferocious man, the father, the ability to love something that is not yourself. For every parent here who teaches you to love your child, as irritating, as upsetting, as disrespectful as children could be sometimes, where nobody will show up, a little mercy, a little patience, you might say, don't worry, he gonna grow, he gonna change, he gonna learn. Who teach you that? Who give you that? Who give you patience? When somebody else child come in praise and make noise, Nicholas want to lick them down. But when it's Nicholas one, them so cute. What type of trap is this that you make me love something only to take it away? You're replying, you know, when your father talk to you, you have to get up and answer me. You used to dance in my lap. No. You forsake me. Where is my happiness, O son? All the land, all the kingdom, everything that I inherit and build, I build for you. Who is going to take care of it after me now? Hayagri says Naradi started to take his hand and scrape and rip the flesh on his own hands, and he says, take back mine. Take more blood. If my blood and my flesh make you, take more and build back the shell around his spine so that you can come back. Stop playing with me. You used to play hide and seek. You used to play all kind of tricks on me. This is another trick. Get up. I have no use now for this blood and this hand. Take it and live here. If I could give you my life, take it. Do not do me this. And all the ministers that are standing there are lost fools. When you really watch what we say, accept my condolences. For everybody here who lost somebody, that word condolence ever give you comfort? Om Sadgati, the Pandit to say, Om Sad, God bless his soul. When you in the hot seat and somebody in a coffin, Om Sadgati what? I care about that. The first stage of grief is anger. Why you had to go? Why you leave me for? Why you put me here for? Think about the lady and the husband gone. You leave everything done, you know how to open the tap in the tank. Who going to do that and use up all the garbage? This stupid man. Imagine in that moment how corrupted, Narad, the person love and they hate the same person. Why you had to do this? This, Banda continues to talk. This is what you call merit, boy. Son, I inherit you from the karma in my past life, and now I had to lose you from that same karma. Today I am ruined. How am I? Prime Minister, how am I? I am the biggest pauper it have. Takes the crown off his head and throw it on. Vishukra, Visanga, Koti Laksha as his main advisors, the main generals in the war. And they want him to snap out in a moment notice. When it's not your child, it's easy to say. You have to stop crying now. You have to hold up. You have to do the funeral. We have to do this, we have to do that. It's easy to say, well, it's not yours. And they try, have faith. But our people are dying, everybody is losing sons, and if you remain in this bewilderment, more will lose. Without the head, the army is hopeless. And that lady is ripping our sons apart. Mothers are grieving. Oh hero, please protect us. Listening to their words full of pain and hate and anger turns his anger now against the enemy. He says that cursed woman came upon this land as a scourge, and suddenly all my soldiers, all of them are dying, all of them are going. My son is walking towards Yamraj abode because of her. And he pulls the sword out of the sheath, the side holder. And Banda, with force, with ferocity, I am going to hack her down. I am going to chop. I am going to chop. I am going to cut her into pieces. Bear my words, ministers. Use every method that you know. Look at the person's words, look at the intention. Use every method that you know and destroy them. Allow them to break up. Allow them to separate. You cannot fight them and win them. Find another way. Verse 19. Find another way to destroy that group. If you stand against somebody and the wall block of the security system too good, find another way to penetrate and get to your target. And when you get to them, do not show them mercy. If you do not kill them, I will kill you. This is what Vishukra wanted to hear. He says, O king, I will use all my prayer, all my mantra, all my yantra. I will use whatever I could conjure to cause havoc, to cause suppression against them, to cause them to become lethargic, lazy, to not pray. I will cause them to become what? Lazy. If somebody want to mash you up, think what I say. What's the easiest way? You stop praying. You stop saying Hanuman Chalisa. Me Baba, me a bound like that here today. Me a bound to say that prayers today. Nothing bad will happen. We will massacre all of them when they become weak, when they become unguarded. The unsuspecting person leaves the front door open, and the thief, ever vigilant, gets to come in. Oh, Narad, thinking like this, Vishukra goes to the camp where Lalita and all her emissaries, all her armies are camped, but they have big guard, different alliance, different things we see Durga associated with standing guard. You can't just enter there. So he now is a person versed in prayer. Believe it or not, unrighteous people pray to you. Sometimes when somebody asks you, you're a good person? Yes, Baba, I just say all my prayer. I know the whole Hanuman Chalisa. One day I went to do prayers. Tell me anything about this. And the person said, Baba, you just say a good prayer, and you know that kavach, and you know this, and you know that passage. And I say, okay. So what prayers you want to do? I say, I want to do Hanuman prayers in 5-head form. Don't get to know what I say. This is a truthful story. He said, but I want to get through with my prayers. I said, all right, yeah, well, I mean, anybody doing prayers want to get through with their prayers. He said, no, I have a serious predicament. I have a wife and I have a girlfriend. And I want to get through with everything I endeavor into. I want to remember every, no joke, every lie I tell, don't ever forget it. Give me the strength to keep up. Some people, my point for children to understand, some people just pray. You might see the flag, you might see Parsad sharing, you will say his prayers, but consider what Gita say. It have tamasic prayer, it have rajas prayer, it has sattvic prayer. The same puja, the same flowers offering, but the purpose for what this person praying for may be different. This is just a lila, this is just somebody doing it. Vishukra is a person who is very, very apt, very capable. He makes sure. Me and you, for example, the children, they fed up with the prayers if they're sleepy. So it's hard to see the prayers going on, or when the prayers finish and they say, Baba, say, okay, make sure and pass the smoke over your head. This is a simple example. When the person understands what they're doing, how you just know people who know prayers, they just take the smoke, for example, pass it over their head, pass it over their body, come down the chest, the thorax, the legs, off the toe, and then tap the earth. Meaning, take the energy of the God, put it on my whole body, and let the negative, let me just say najar, badai, etc., come off me. If you go to somebody getting massage, rubbing, stroke victim, you will see the person who massaging, they just knock their hand like this, take off, knock off. Remember, energy have to go somewhere. You are bare feet tonight when you come in here. Geshala, Mother Earth, take the bad. I am bowing for good. But the bad have to go somewhere. So now, if the child say, well, nobody watching me, maybe halfway, shortcut. How much you will get, I'm not too sure. But I know you're getting 100%. If you don't do the prayers properly, it won't work. This fella is very capable in doing the prayers properly. So when everybody else is pulling shortcut, he makes sure, pull it, hold up, wait, let me bow properly. I want you to understand little things have big value. If I remember when I was a child, I used to pull shortcut. That's why I could say this. I sing down for prayers with my grandfather, and then bow when I touch in your hand, you go say bow, and I go bow midway. I tell you this already. And I just slap in my hand, bow properly. When you touch it, and you're pulling the Shakti to you, that is how you get the difference or the change. If you don't touch it, if I don't choke my finger in that plug, me I'll get shocked. Choke your finger in the plug, then you're okay. Likewise, touch the multi, you'll get it. This man does not play. He knows how to do it. So he's very capable in some type of prayer and yantra called Jai Veena. Veena, or the impediments. When that man put him out on you, brother, you will wait to see change. You will wait to see help. You will wait to see the end of the argument. But it come in. It has some people born with that gift, and some people with it is a goat mouth, and it just have different marks on their body for who know what they're talking about, marking on the side of the tongue. When these people from birth say something, you just find it manifest. When some people say prayers and they get the burden from the mantra, if the mother say, you will pass the exam. Remember in Mahabharata, Kunti Devi says to Arjun, without watching, he said, Malaka, bring something. No problem, son. And share what? She said, share it equally with your four brothers. The problem was that was Draupadi. He brought home the girl, the one girl, and she makes the pronouncement, let the 5 of them share her. And that is how she becomes the one wife for the 5 brothers. When some people say things, they have this blessing that don't worry now, you will get through. God bless you, you will get through. In the same way, he has this inherent gift to bring trouble. When he says, you will not get through, it will not happen. So what he did, he went and he drew at the Sandhya hour using anuragha or different type of stain, writing equipment. He started to draw on the ground. He started to draw on stone. So he put yantra on stone and he started to throw the stone in the camp. When people talk about they throw things in the yard, same thing. Darkness, dense darkness started to come in the camp. It became very gloomy. It became very, as if it were, without luster. The same women that stood at the door, the same people started to get sleepy, lethargic, heavy. The weapons, like in Arjun case in the battlefield, the weapon starts to fall from their hand. They don't care if it drop, it drop. Gavyuti, he is calling that all the different presiding devatas, Alasya, Kirbani, Dina, the different doorways that you put, may all of them get lazy and fall. In this way, the people who are in the camp of the goddess, listen to 43, verse 43, hear what it's saying? Why are we even fighting the demonic people? What are we doing here with all this weapon? Why are we fighting them? Let's join them. Why should we perish? Why should we bleed? So what if the devatas lose? So what if they subjugate people? So why are we following that great queen Lalita? Why doesn't she come out now and fight everybody and she's a great goddess? So much corruption in the same place that they once fought as one team. They worked as one unit. When she spoke, they jumped. Now, the same force turns on their leader. It is better we destroy her. Idleness, Alasya. They did not want to get up, no enthusiasm. It was as if everybody is sleepy, idle, heavy. The Shaktis, the different forms and forces that were so potent, protecting goodness, became very relaxed and lethargic. This whole camp now became so dokedam, that the demonic forces walked through the front door without any objection. Vishakra is laughing at them. Why are you lying there? Why are you even here for? What is your purpose? Who are you protecting? Who could you fight? And the girl, the guard in this example, says that's true. I can't fight anybody. I'm hopeless. I have to give up, and throws away the spear. In this way, he's celebrating more and more. Vina yantra was placed now. Those types of yantra to cause damage, to suppress good, to make a person feel as if they are confused in today's world. How you end up with that person, boy? Me know. In Islam, you will go, they will give you a charm. The boy says it, he blows in water, and the girl drink it. The girl gets total bay and gets carried away, run away from home. Ma, I don't know what come over me. Ma, I don't know how I reached there. I wasn't thinking. This is that kind of prayer. It infests the person, and the person becomes blinded, confused. The same person, Baba is my body, but I don't know what holding me. Why I have to gamble? Why my hand scratching me to get the drugs? If I don't take the tablet, drugs don't mean marijuana and coke. If me take that tablet, me good. If me take that pain tablet, you can't talk to me tomorrow. Something like a spirit is holding this person, and no matter what logic you preach. That is why in Gita, when a person is under the gaze, the guise of tamasic, he says, how do you know? The person becomes very lazy. The person becomes lethargic. They become very stink. Stink, I bound to bed. I have to bed. Like plenty of other teenagers, eh? Today is Saturday, mommy, I had to bed. Tamasic. Me, I had an idea, me, I had to fast, me, I want to go to temple, me, I want to say the prayers. I reached in the temple, I had to shut down in the back. Me, I had to go and touch the multi, I had to touch the multi for. But we in Kurtan, sorry. But the mood, something is holding you back. Something keeps you from doing what you know now. In one way we call it tamasic, in another way it is called negative, bad, tantric prayer. Matrini, Dandavika are the armies under the goddess, and they had blessing that no matter where they stand, some people could remain pure. To put it in an example, imagine I don't eat meat. So no matter where I go, I okay if you tell me chicken tastes like sponge, how do you call it? Sponge cake, I believe you. So if it's there, if it appears, if it disappears, makes no difference. I'm neutral. For some people, when they are in a heavy place, the prayers protect them so much it does not affect them. When they go in a place that clean, they kill themselves. However, you have some people, we just say we go in the hospital where people die every day. And you will start to vomit. You will start to feel like the room is moving. Very sensitive. These two people are impervious. They are not affected by the differences in the environment. So they go and they tell the goddess, Mother, something is awry, something is wrong. There is some arbitration, there is something, someone is doing something here. Somebody has penetrated our home. Somebody has penetrated this place, and the same forces of good and righteousness are turning. Mother, you are the person to establish something to break this vina. We cannot see what is causing it or who is causing it. We don't know where it's coming from, but something is happening. Let's hear what happens in this verse. Pahi pahi Gajanana Parvati Nanda Gajanana
Pahi 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 Gajanana Parvati Nanda Gajanana
Vigna Vigna Ye Tatapardam Lalitayena Prajapati Priyaspati Yena Lalita Kacha Kapshayena Vinayaka
Pahi 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 Gajanana Parvati Nanda Gajanana
Lambodar He Gajanana
Lambodar He Gajanana
Lambodar He Gajanana
Lambodar He Gajanana
Lambodar Gaja Vicharana
Lambodar Gaja Vicharana
Lalita Devi, the goddess, for our understanding. Another form, she looks more like Parvati, not Durga with all the hands and all the weapons. Very calm form. She's represented by one spear leaning on a lion. But she's always smiling. No vexation, no way close to Kali Mata. No ferocity, but always smiling. Just like how Parvati Mata is. She starts to laugh. Imagine people come to give bad news. This place is heavy. The walls, the place feels as if I'm getting squeezed, but nothing squeezing it. In your home, I go on the bed back here, sleep. The husband come home from work, and as he come home, he has to rush back out. Children come home, they want to leave, they want to run. I have to go, I have to go. I don't want to eat here. Where in a marriage they used to have passion. Wife touching husband, husband touching wife. And that go, now like two strangers living in a house. Place heavy. The barakat in the house is gone, the groceries don't need groceries, the money doesn't last. I'm fighting something, but I don't know what. What is this? How do you expect me to buy? Understand what I'm telling you? 1 pound of rice used to run us sometime pounded this whole month, next month. Like you sure anything more? Half the month pass and everything finished. These two ladies come to tell the goddess this is what's going on. Signs, symptoms. Something is awry, something is wrong. But mother, I can't tell is this person doing it, or this is how they are attacking me, or where we are bleeding. But mother, we are losing, goddess. Mother takes up a whip. There's a Ganesh form where he has a noose in his hand. And she said, we will win him. We will destroy Banda and all his emissaries, all his work, with a smile. Mother starts to laugh, and from the crook of the smile, Ganesh Baba appears. Ganapati, where he is smiling, sometimes in Pitya, you see the trunk upside, you see the little mouth laughing. With the disposition of a smile, holding in one hand the whip, the noose. So in some books they will call it gold. In the other hand, he's holding a piece of sugar cane. This form is referred to as Vinayak, the god, the emissary, the power that destroys the Vina, or the impediments. We use his mantra quite often. Vinayaka, Vinayaka. I'm calling you to break the obia, but I don't know why I'm calling you. She says, son, go and do your work. And you see all where your name is called, where your form walk, you see all the bad things that people put in this camp nullified. So somebody understand there, somebody writes something, a biblical passage, a Urdu passage, a Hindu passage to be honest, and they throw it in your property, cemetery work, they put the name, if I don't teach you, who will teach you this? I said it at the beginning, if I don't talk about it, children are going to know. When somebody says cemetery work, they take a piece of parchment paper, they put your name on one side, and they use different symbols or passages on the other side. And where somebody now buried, they put it in the ground. Soul, you who now commit to this earth, go and feed on the target. Suck the energy. Take the energy. You're going to sleep tired when you get up in the morning and you're supposed to feel good. Baba, feeling like whole night I beat my body. I'm tired and a different kind of exhaustion here. Ladies getting marks all over the body. Different type of strange things happening. I seen things 3 o'clock in the morning. I wake up and I seen some shadow thing over me. Sleep paralysis in English. I can't move. I can't talk. I'm calling for help. But this thing choking me. Vinayaka, walk. And when those things are written and it is thrown in the house of a person and the enemy, the demon, is invisible but quite effective, break it. Pull back the goddess, the energy, the Shakti that those people using in their prayers, you suck it away. Take it up. Pull me, the God, the lady that given them the ability to get through. Remember, the bandit that come in to rob you, praying to God to where? Dear God, bless me to get through today. Vinayaka, don't let he get through. He is against me. Vinayaka, change the person I'm in a business place and the bandit monitoring me. Think how you want to see it. Ganesh, stand up on the door when you come by me and you see Ganesh, they're all over. I am a victim just like you. So I have to put my Ganesh when you go in the trade show and you see Ganesh head like a flat plate to go on a door or a sticker of Ganesh of all the devtas we have. He is made for over your doorway, over your front. So when the enemies across the road watching and they're scoping to see when they're going by the night deposit, they mark you. Get in the head and say, see them stupid people, me ain't having with them now. Walk somewhere else, go somewhere else, but leave us. Vinayaka, change. Bad, change. When you're here, wedding, you're doing Dwar Press. Who is being Dwar Press? Dwar Press, Dwar Puja, when the wedding going on. Ganesh Baba, people have it in their head. The people wearing gold. When they come in the wedding, bad is come too. Screen them by the door, and when they come by the door, either they change or go back. You ever see people go to a funeral and they can't tell you? I was standing right here on the door, I could think about what in a person's heart, that they cannot enter, they dare not enter that place. Your Ganesh, in this one name, in that stotra, that 12-name stotra, the one name you hear Vinayaka, and you are not understanding what that is. If we go into that stotra and we take the 12 name, think what I'm telling you. How we get Gajanan, how we get Vinayak, how we get Durmaketu, all that is different kata. Ganesh has so much in it, Nick. She said walk, and you just walk, and when you walk, Sun Mohan will happen. You will pull, you will suck, even if the obia, understand what I'm telling you? Even if the thing, the article is still sitting here, it will be nullified. It will be like you take out the battery from the watch. So it has no life in it, it's pointless, it's useless, it's effective, less effective, no effect. This is how you destroy it. The person uses the prayers of Ganesh in this way, for that purpose. So when your Baba come home and you hear he calling Vinayaka mantra, when you hear business people doing prayers, when they're blessing the doorway for the wedding, use your gyan tonight and understand, yes, we say in Ganesh, but Keshava, as a person we say it in a different way, Keshava is a son. My mother used to call me Sun Mun. My wife as a husband, the same Keshava. Likewise, same Ganesh. But when you put him in a different role, he works, he has a different name and he has a different job. I put it in a way for children to understand. When the bully in the school, in today's world, is not boy and boy fighting alone, young girls fighting young girls. I feel more vicious than boy children. People trying to rape your children, people trying to push them against the wall, and if they don't do what I say is trouble. And the poor children getting so anxious with this type of enemy. Some children going to school, mommy, toilet, mommy, toilet, and the mother and the father, no. How to fight, God, I don't understand. Nobody tell me this going on, Pandit. My child killed himself because of X, Y, and Z, and I didn't know. If I didn't know, when they don't talk, how I will fight, Pandit? Depression, anxiety, these things real. Watch your school children. You know how many school children have to go to psychologists now? Different type of enemies are hitting our homes. And the one person that the Shivite, the Vishnavite, the Shakti has to pray to is Ganapati Baba. The one thing all Hindu people agree on, Ganesh is Pratham Puj. We have to call him first. Do the wedding, do the funeral, you have to call Ganesh. Any prayer, any problem, call Ganesh. Tonight, to answer somebody's question, when you have obia, when you feel it's bad, but me I know who do, me I know what they do, this is how you break it. This is when you present yourself and you call on him in sutras like what we chant here, and you use the prayer, Vinayaka, I feel them people they like me. Vinayaka, I feel they jealous me. You know what you call pretty girl problems? You're too nice. The same girl, because I feel you have somebody else, you know. The same prettiness becomes a burden to the girl. And she wants to hide herself because anything I do, I done. When she go to the wedding, for some people, they're looking too nice. Here start to fall, headache. For some people, they're ugly because they can't say good. Same hair falling, sickness, things growing in the different regions of your body. You're getting hit and you know you're getting stabbed from your enemy. If some of we could have bleed here tonight, myself included, you know how much cut we already have? Vinayaka. So imagine Nicholas say, everybody bring 2 flowers. And go and talk to that multi that come to take your trouble. You think he had to say that twice? Are you only waiting for the pundit to tell me to come? I want my trouble to go. So when it happened, Chowti Young in the village, and the pundit is saying, different son Mohan mantra. We went and chant one before I close. We are done. We have to finish on time tonight. I went over last night. When you get to say this type of prayer, just as how you will understand, let me say, Saraswati prayers to pass the exam, to learn the music, you have to learn that praise, Baba. Saraswati chant, you have to bless the drum, Baba, and you don't lose the opportunity. When you get a chance in Panchauti Yagya to do this type of prayer, you don't miss. Prem Sabalo Adi Shakti Mata Ki Jai. Ganesh walked. And Ganesh Baba, after taking all the power from your prayer, he's laughing and he's pulling. You want to harm mine? You want to harm my side? From that one Vinayaka, the Vinayakas came. He split his body into 6 forms. In some pictures, the Vinayak has 6 hands. The 6 forms of this Vinayak, Amod, Pramod, Sumuk, Durmuk, Arigya, Vinayakarta. Chinese people in Buddhist faith, in the country, China, Thailand, where you wouldn't believe this, but Ganesh is on the Thai dollar. This is why they have that. One of the form of this, the Pramod, is the form on their dollar. Protect us from invasion, protect us from bad, protect us from people plotting politically to destroy us. Till today, in Buddhist temples, it looks a little different because there is difference. Some have 2 heads, some have 6 hands, 8 hands. The Vahan is not always the mouse, some is lion, etc. You will hear more. But in this, Ganesh is littered through Thailand, Singapore, Japan, in China, not Korea too much, but in so many places, and they call him by different name, but the protection is what you're looking for. Me and you have him. Me and you will hear the Sahasranam, the 1008 names of Ganesh. You never hear that? Do you know who chants the 1008 names? Same Lord Shiva. The vision, the ability to do Ganesh prayers, Lord Shiva is the person who teaches them how to do it. We'll do that prayer another night, the history of it. Prem Sabalo Shri Ganesh Bhagwan Ki Jai. Ganesh Baba, in this 6th form now, he goes to fight. And from that 6 came what you call the army of the Ganas. When we call them Ganapati, Gana means the people that help Lord Shiva, serve Lord Shiva. Ganapati means he's the general, he's the leader of all of these people. All these Ganas came with elephant head, human body features, and they started to squeal, hung, hard, very hard. And no matter what the enemy, the deities were trying to say their prayer, I don't know if it ever happened to you. You're trying your best to remember how that mantra go, how that mantra go, how that mantra go, and for nothing you will remember the 3rd line, the 2nd line, the next word. Your mind will go blank. Ganesh Baba started to attack their memory. So the person that was arming themselves with the power of prayer loses the potency. You can't say the prayer, what you're going to get protected with. What you're going to bless, the cutlass, the arrow, even the armor on your body, how you're going to do it if you cannot say the prayer. How are you going to do it? And they rush through. All the gunners rush through and destroy them. Imagine all the deities them watching the leader. Say the prayers, say the prayers, say the prayers. No prayers coming. And as Ganesh runs through the army, cut them one by one, destroying all of them. This person, this Ganesh reaches up to Vishukra. Vishukra is lost that he knows the potency of his prayer. But look how my prayer, look how it falls. And Vinayaka says, when a person faces me, when righteousness is being stamped on, and the person who is the victim calls upon me, all your potency, all your black magic, verse 93, all your black magic will become irrelevant and powerless. By my potency, it will fall, and the person who is protected by me. The person who uses this name, this discourse, my tusk, will protect them. And he drags the tusk on the ground, scraping the earth, and when it came like a spark with the heat of the scraping, stabs into Vishukra. If you ever see the Murti of Vinayaka, on the tusk, it looks pinkish or red because of the hue of the blood stain from this demon, ripping him, destroying him through the belly. It says that this person destroyed now fell, and this Gajamukh, Ganesh, destroyed all the armies. Sitting on a ferocious lion, he charged. He took the lion of Lalita Devi, buried like a car, and he ran through the army. If you see Ganesh on a lion, this is that discourse. All of them now destroyed. Mother Lalita prays to this Ganesh that the person who is under the influence, everybody put your hand together. We nearly done, all of you online, say a prayer. If a person in their life, in their family life, in your professional life, in your business, is under the subjugation or the negative work of other people, the enemy, the person who in the night of nightmares, in the darkest of days, when they listen to the origin, the story, the history of Vinayaka, coming from the smile of Lalita Devi, bless that person to wake up from that nightmare by the protection of Ganapati. No matter how strong, no matter how potent the words are, it will become lifeless. The work is destroyed. The person, the enemy, will become energy or lusterless by the protection of Vinayaka. Blessed is the person who reads this discourse. Blessed is the person who listens to this discourse. Blessed is the person who causes another to hear it so that they can absorb the power of Vinayaka. Prem se bolo Shri Ganesh Bhagwan ki jai. Baba, give them children 1 or 2 drops of ghee there. Let me offer on behalf of everybody. Sitting where you are. Nobody had to know your business. For those of you home, I want to recite what is called San Mohan Mantra. San Mohan Mantra is prayers, as I said at the beginning, that breaks Vashikaran or Mohanam, Maranam. People do you something and they want to kill you or control you. I mustn't get no, how you call it, promotion. The other people must get it. They must raise up and I must remain one place. So when somebody do you that unnatural type of work, for example, San Mohan Mantra, which is guarded in some cases by Vinayaka, breaks that work. Cut the seal, break the work, make it less effective. We're going to say it, they're going to offer it in the fire on behalf of everybody. Say a prayer, put your hand together. They're going to know how other people is pray. For those of you at home, come on. Prabhu, please accept this prayer. And if a person is praying for my downfall or the downfall of my family, if a person is trying to enchant a member of my family, if a person is trying to bewilder, confuse somebody, break it, God. Om Hrinkali, Kankali, Palkat, Palkat, Sri, Purusha, Raja, Vashikarni, Mum, Vashikartu, Var, Swaha. Next one. If somebody is praying to damn an individual, Devi Ma, Vinayaka, power this prayer and allow them to overcome. Rise, wake up. Somebody chaining you up. Wake up from that. Om Chamunde Jai Jai Vasha Yankari Vinayaka Jai Jai Sarva Sattva Nama Swaha. Om Mahaharing Lasharing Kashamai Kaling Eng Noon Nama Swaha. Last one. Om Tripura Sundari Divyai Vidmahi Kameshwari Cha Dhimahi Tanno Devi Prachodayat Swaha. Together. Om Bhurabhuvaswa Tat Savitur Bharenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat Swaha. Everybody. Om Bhurabhuvaswa Tat Savitur Bharenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat Swaha. Om Bhurabhuvaswa Tat Savitur Bharenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat Swaha. Principal Adi Shakti Mata Ki Jai. I know when we are sitting in a group, when you're viewing online, these topics are very, very touchy. When you have trouble in your home, in your family, in your job, it is something private. But if we don't start to teach these things, if we don't talk about it, children wouldn't believe it have danger. They wouldn't understand that bad does exist. It does exist. This is why we have to hold and hold on to good. If you're not careful, the rug, the flooring under your foot could be swept away. People die, people get sick in different ways, you lose. And when you use your prayer, when you use, in this case, your Ganesh, in the correct way, you could protect yourself. Principal Shri Ganesh Bhagwan Ki Jai. You singing anything? Don't want to? No? Alright, everybody a quick chant and then we'll stand and do Aarti. Ganesha Sharanam, Sharanam Ganesha, Ganesha
Sharanam
Help us sing, everybody.
Sharanam
For those of you online, come on, take it up.
Everybody join.
Sharanam Ganesha. Ganesh Baba, if I didn't know this secret before, tonight I hear something. Tonight I learned something. For those of you looking on, Just as I'm saying it here in the temple, this is not for nobody else next to you to know, you know. When you're going through hardship, separation, loss, cry, tears, blood, pain, that is a personal, very private. Nobody know that. Left to somebody pondit don't have trouble home till we smiling holy. We don't have trouble in marriage, we don't have grief with children, we don't have problems with money, we don't get sick. Brothers and sisters, everybody in this life is hit with different battles. And if you're careful, your side could lost very easy. Pondit and everybody alike. What a blessing if we could get Vinayaka on we side, boy. What a blessing if we could get Krishna to stand up on we side and pelt blows against the enemy. When the enemy stand up and you amass all the force and they feel, no, I will kill you. No, I will take you. No, I will damage you. Your children is an easy target, is a soft target. But God on your side. Impossible is possible. For every doctor you meet, go and ask them when they know how to help you. Upon it, prepare funeral coming. And you see praying people get done with prayers. That Shaligram, Baba washing on that baby, they start to wash that and they drink that. What impossible will come possible. But you have to know the value of that stone. One example, the value of that murti. And when you come in the day for the people who home here, and you get to make that new grass, I will tell you about that new grass. New grass mala, you bring your flowers, simple as flowers. God bless you, you could have bring flowers for him. The nectar inside the flowers, the sugar, the sweet. Ganesh Baba, I bring one, only one I bring for it, I all I had. The sweet in it, bless me to get that type of how I give is so I must get. Bless me that I give sweet to get sweet times, happy times, safe times. They have to go on the plane, bless the plane to reach. Not all plane is reach. Not all car is reach home, not all taxi is reach. And when the child go by the shop, bless that child to walk back home. Mommy, I spend a little chocolate, girl. I go on and I buy things I shouldn't have buy. I end up missing a teeth, girl. Where you go do? This stupid child of mine. When Yeshua Mata had troublesome Christian thieving and breaking the pot, let him come home and break the pot every day. Let him come home and be a test. But the day he can't come home, then that is the day that mother will realize, what had. Bows complain, oh God, when this child will grow up, oh God. The day the husband and day to get trouble again, that's the day is miss it. God protect the little happiness, protect the little journey I have on. Bless me to go safe and come back safe. Prem Sabolo Shri Ganesh Bhagwan Ki Jai. We Ganesh have a lot of teachings in it, you know. But the emotion is not always just a sing and clap, sing and clap. When we reach at the end of the year, and you understand your Ganesh, and you understand why you're putting that blue grass, and you're bringing your flowers, and you're bringing your prasad. Me, I have to tell you by the end of this jug, come and touch the murti, you know. Come and offer your me, and sit and listen only we get to read the jug. Too much I'm offering now. Pandit say he want to come whole day, when is the public? Monday. He want to volunteer to come and stand up with all the public. Whoever want to come and do puja early o'clock from the midday hour, I have a little blessing on that titi. He want to volunteer. If they're willing to come, talk to him, talk to Nicholas, talk to them. He want to be here to give all the opportunity to do the prayer. As much as the children home, as much as people might be home from work, you couldn't get to do it before. Here comes a chance. If the God wish it, you'll get to do it. He just helped me. Thank God and thank you, Baba, for your help. Thank you, temple management, for all God is doing on there. Know the blessing on is to people's life. Tonight, everybody, with your permission, we're going to conclude now. Let's all stand as we come to the end of our satsang. As Nicholas and my loving drummer, thank you, Kelly. God bless you. Going to lead me in Arti. Everybody, when you're doing He prayers, remember I mentioned sometimes in different religion, I don't know if you know this is called Anjali Mudra, this. And how this works, when you press your tongue, this part here, you have to press it against the chest bone. When you do it, you're activating a part of your body. I'll explain it more tomorrow. But this is a Hindu, we have a term for this. the Ganesh Mudra, if you ever see people going by the Ganesh Murti and they do this gesture and they want to overcome different type of trouble, I'll explain it tomorrow night for you. This is called Ganesh Mudra. When the person wants to see change, they just put this, they put their hand together. Other people come in with them and they see it and they take it. And if we are careful, we don't use it, they just use it. Let me make sure I'm doing it correctly. When you leave here, you want your blessing. Put your hand together. While we singing, all they sing too, but talk to your Ganesh tonight. You know your trouble. Don't waste time. Sajam cha varti sanyuktam
Vahinayojitam maya Deepam grihana divish Trailokam timirapaham.
Together everybody. Sing. You want to go?
Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva. Jai Ganesh Deva, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva. Jai Ganesh Deva. Ladhuan ko bhog lage sant kari seva, sant kari seva. Ladhuan ko bhog lage sant kari seva. Jai Ganesh Deva, Jai Ganesh Deva, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva. एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी, चार भुजाधारी. एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी, चार भुजाधारी. माथे सिंदूर सोहे मूस की सवारी, मूस की सवारी. दुखियों के दुख हरद, दुखियों के दुख हरद परमानंद देवा. जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश, जय गणेश, जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. आंधन को आँख देत, कोरियन को काया, कोरियन को काया. बांझन को पुत्र देत, निर्धन को माया, निर्धन को माया. भव से पार करो नाथ, भव से पार करो नाथ, भजन करो तेरा. जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश, जय गणेश, जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश, जय गणेश, जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश देवा.
जय गणेश, जय गणेश, जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. जय गणेश देवा. Together everybody. Tvameva Mata
Shabita Tvameva, Tvameva Bandhu,
Shasaka Tvameva
Tvameva Vidya,
Dravinam Tvameva
Tvameva Sarvam, Mama Deva Deva,
Tvameva Sarvam
Mama Deva
Shanti. Everybody.
Shanti.
Shanti. Hari Om. प्रेम से बोलो उमापति महादेव की, श्री गणेश भगवान की, उमापति महादेव की, पवन पुत्र हनुमान की, श्री आदि शक्ति माता की, वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की, सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय। जय जय सीताराम। सब कोई सीताराम एवरीबॉडी।